So welcome back to another video. So for some weeks now, about 1 month or like almost 2 months, we started the practice for the dragon boat race. So in Suzhou every year around this time, June, middle of June or something, there's the dragon boat race. It's to celebrate a festival, the Duanwujie festival in China. This is like a competition. So the boat rowing competition, so many teams come together from all over Suzhou, some from Shanghai, some from other parts of China, and then they come together to participate in this race. So this is what we have been practicing for. Is the day, the specific day. We are here right now to just prepare for it, and you know, this is the first time we're on this particular lake that we're going to be paddling tomorrow. So we just came through to prepare, to make sure everything's okay, but tomorrow is the official day. So tomorrow I'm gonna have my GoPro on my head. I'm gonna record at like the whole thing, the whole race, and just give you guys a whole feel of the whole thing. So stay tuned. So we found our spots that we're going to be staying for the practice. The water's right over there. That's where we're going to be rowing, and there's so many other teams just getting ready, and then we are preparing. You know, this is just like the practice, the warm-up kind of thing, so we just know the feel of how it's going to be on that day, which is tomorrow. And we might get in the water, we might not, so we'll see.
The most important thing to make sure your swimming coat locked.
Okay. Okay guys, so today we finished the practice, but then yeah, tomorrow we're gonna come here very early in the morning. I will have a GoPro on my head. I'm gonna record the whole thing, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so we finished the practice. So there's gonna be 2 races. There's the semi-final and then there's the final. So if we make it through the semi-final, then we can go into the final and maybe win this event. But then the whole aim of this thing, like the goal isn't necessarily to win. If we win, we're gonna be happy, definitely. But then even if we don't win, we still are gonna be happy because, you know, it's a good experience. We're able to experience the Chinese culture, and yeah. But then definitely looking forward to tomorrow. Hopefully we can, you know, have a good time, have fun. See you tomorrow. So this is the day. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but then today is the day that we do the actual race. So all the teams are here, everyone's ready, we're getting ready, and in a bit we're gonna go on the water and start the competition. So we hope for the best and hope you guys enjoy. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Olukayode, but people call me K generally. After several days of training, I think we should be ready. We've worked hard to make sure we participate, and not just to participate, but to make history here today, a positive history. So if you ask me once again, I will tell you we are ready as a team.
What do you think about the other teams? What do you think about the events, the planning?
Yeah, let me start with the planning. I think they've done a very good job here. It's awesome. I like the arrangements and the way the teams are compacted into their various sections. I think they've really done a very good job. And now looking at other teams, though I'm a little bit skeptical and I'm a little bit scared because I see more formation here. But I'm not going to give up because of what I see. I just believe we can do better.
Nice. Thank you for talking to us.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure.
What's your name?
My name is Jamshid.
What's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony. Okay. So, are you ready for today's race?
Yes, of course.
And do you think you're gonna win the race?
Of course we will.
You will
Of course
win?
we will. Yeah, we are ready.
You're ready?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been practicing?
Like around 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
Okay. And you think 2 months is okay to win everybody here?
I think yes.
So, first question is, how long have you been racing doing this Dragon Boat race?
I think this is the 5th time now, or 6th time, yeah. We had good result, we had bad result, but
nice.
hopefully we have a great team this year. So
Oh, nice. Are you participating with 12 people team? Or?
yeah, 12 people team, whatever. Yeah.
So we are also participating with 12. So we'll see on the water.
Good luck.
So yeah, thanks for the interview, man. Yeah. All right.
Hello, my name is Lukman. I think this organization quite good and the security is really tough. We can't go outside.
Yeah.
It's really hard to get the tea or coffee. But it seems that there are so many professional people are there.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit scary.
Yes.
But we have a very good team, so we believe that we will win.
Nice. Thanks for the interview.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Solomon.
Solomon. Okay.
It's nice. I recommend anyone to come and participate and try. Not hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for the interview, man.
Yeah.
Keep to the side like that.
Hold on.
Remember, first 20 start, the last 10.
Hold on.
not bad. I expected us to win though, but then it's not actually that easy. We gave it a nice shot, and hopefully next time we'll do better.
Okay guys, so we're done with the race, we're tired. It was a tough one. Like he said, we had no experience coming into this, but then we gave it our all, we gave it our best, but then these guys were ready, they were prepared for this way more than we were, and then it showed in the race. We can just take good things from it. We can only take good things from it. Hopefully, you know, if there's a next time, we can do better. The last place, we can only go better than last place. We can't get less than last place, so we can only get better. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and you know, see you guys in the next video. Peace. So yeah, what I just realized is that for our time, we actually did 1 minute 35 seconds, and that's actually a fantastic time. But the only thing, oh shit, was that pipe shipping? The only thing is that for 1 minute 35 seconds, that's a very good time. But she's still. Oh my, so for 1 minute 35 seconds, it's good, but the other guys, the competitors, they were so good. They had like 1 minute 18. These are like really good times. 1 minute 35 seconds is very good for the first time. Yeah, and it's really a good experience. Yeah, a good experience.
It was really nice. It was really nice.
中华传统将中华金属礼传统文化传播至美国市。本届龙舟赛。
Okay, so I ask you like 2 questions. Okay, first, what's your name?
Okay.
Do it!